How to import an Excel file in monday.com. This is what we are going to talk about today in this video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. This really helps a lot. So without any further ado, let's move into the video. So first of all, what you're going to do is you're going to go to your profile option. That is your main home screen. Then you're going to click on your profile option that is located down below. And over here is the import data option. Over here there are different kinds of options you can get in a Google Sheet, a Trello, an Asana, a Basecamp, Facebook ads, and whatever you want to do. But I'm going to go with the Excel. I have to click on that and I can browse it over here or drag the file over here. So I am going to drag the file right over here. Now let's customize a new board. So this is my file. Then I'm going to hit next, and this is my first column. Then I'm also going to hit next, and I can select the column. This is the text column, this is the status column, this is the text column, and then I have to go to create a board, and it will create a board from my Excel file. This is all from the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you have any question, put it down in the comment section, and also don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you.